what we're doing in 2030? How is it going to change?
So what I think is interesting is I think we're at that inflection point for especially voice control, but audio in general. I think that the technology is getting to a place where audio consumption, music, people are listening to more music than ever, just sheer numbers. And so if we think about the cell phone market, it was like 0 people had a cell phone in 1987, obviously, and then we had 8 billion people had it in 2017. And so I think we're getting to that inflection point for voice interfaces as well. You alluded to 3.8 billion devices. So I think that will continue to grow. And so with that adoption, when we have this balance with privacy and convenience, I think we can see that really used well. And one of the interesting initiatives that I see, Amazon has that voice interoperability initiative where multiple agents can be on an individual device. I think that will be very interesting, that how the VII works in terms of having something like a Deutsche Telekom Magenta speaker that has its own Magenta agent, as well as the Alexa agent. And so that's where that command and control versus additional features of, oh yeah, I'm talking to my, ISP, it can do these types of things. It can reset my router. It can do these types of things. It can do this health check. Alexa can tell me the time and do other cool things. Smart home, other different verticals. I think you'll get interesting involvement from agents, and people will get used to the concept of maybe a different voice or a different engagement model to hear, yeah, I wanted to get directions from this other thing versus my normal agent, and how those things communicate through each other, I think is a very innovative place for the future.